So, someone has decided to send a electric longboard to me, a electric unicycle rider, for me to try out. So I'm going to give you my impressions, I'm going to give you my thoughts. It's not going to be a review. This initial video will be an unboxing and just first impressions. And then when the weather clears up, because we are in the middle of a crappy stormy kind of winter time in the United Kingdom, I'll take it out for a ride and I'll see if I can remember how to ride an electric longboard. So that's going to be interesting, right? Those that watch the channel know that for the last 2 years I've been riding electric unicycles. I did used to ride electric longboards and skateboards like Evolve and that sort of stuff, so be interesting to see how far things have come. Big shout out to e-scooter clinic in London, along with Majestic boards, who are sponsoring this video. So all the views are my own. They have kindly sent me this for to see what I think and to give you guys my impressions of this board. So hope you enjoy the video, and without further ado, let's get on to the initial impressions. So this is interesting. Trying to get it in focus. While longboarding, you should avoid gravel, water, steep uphill or downhill, obstacles, large rocks. So large rocks, an obstacle I get. Steep uphill and downhill roads isn't good. Water, yeah. Gravel, why? Traffic, well. Night time, why? Holes and cracks, kind of. Poor visibility, tracks, yeah, duh. And drains. Get the board out first. Let's put that to one side for now. Let's, oh blimey, she's a weighty girl. Oh, see what else you get in the box. Instruction manual, charger, and this is a 2.5 amp charger. Power cord. USB cable, T-tool, quite a standard remote, haven't used one of those for a while. Another manual, anything else got there? That's it. So, what have we got here is the Majestic board's longboard. It's quite heavy, if I'm honest. It claims 35-mile range, a top speed of around 30 miles an hour. And this, to be honest, I like the fact that it's got a drop deck. It's slightly dropped, so we'll see how that fares when we're riding. I did go for the 80 wheel version. It's got 4,000 watt motors. It is belt driven. Let's pick this bad boy up. So fully charged in about 3.5 hours with the charger that comes with the board. Construction of 9 layers of Canadian maple and then reinforced with fiberglass. It's got some grip tape in stripes on here. I tend to like grip tape all the way across, but we'll see if that offers enough. I'll be testing this in British winter So it needs to be durable because, you know, obviously our bad weathers that we have. So the trucks themselves, let's have a look, let's see if I can put this down. The trucks themselves are Kingpin trucks. The trucks and mountings are made from PA9 aviation aluminium. Seem quite sturdy, but again, you know, won't be until we test it out. I quite like the wheels. The wheel rims themselves, they feel metal, which is good because usually on some of these boards around this this price, these are plastic, so that should make them a bit more durable. They're really nice design as well, so that's quite cool. What else to say? The actual so if you can see down here, the actual the material and hardened plastic and everything else, it's all contained and sealed. So actually, it should hold up quite a bit, and it's, to be honest, it's quite clean. It's a clean, well-designed board on first impressions, and yeah, we're gonna take it for an initial spin, and so this was kindly provided by Majestic Boards and e-Scooter Clinic, so big shout out to them. I'll put their details in the description below, so you can check them out. Yeah, we're gonna take this out for a bit of a spin. Might check the tyre pressure, just make sure they're okay, and turn it on for the first time, and we'll see what's what. But yeah, it's just a small unboxing video, nothing more on this one. The next video will be after I've ridden it for some time, and we'll go out and riding, and we'll see how it fares. One thing I just noticed as well on these wheels, the caps for the tyre pressure valve is metal as well, so that's a nice little touch. Overall, it looks like a nice board, to be honest. It's, like I said, it's a decent weight, but I mean, comparable, I have unicycles, so they're heavy as well, but it does look quite a nice slick board. So yeah, we'll see how this fares. Everything so far, first impressions, board looks nice, if I'm honest. Yeah, see how it goes. So thanks for watching, and we will get this out on the road. Trails are a little bit filthy at the moment, so it may be not trails for a while, but we'll take this out on some cycle paths and things like that while they dry out. If we get a chance to take it on the trails, then that'd be good, because that's a bit more of a test when you've got AT wheels, and it tends to be a lot of wide ride. So we'll see how that is, and maybe we'll get some other people's impressions as well, not just mine. So keep it here, keep it to the channel. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
You